Alright, hello and welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Alright, so we're talking about trending coins, 100x and 1000x shitcoins. If you just joined, you are welcome to Crypto Wealthy, where I talk about trending coins. It's time to make some money. 100x 1000x coins. Here we go. So once again, you're welcome to the subscribe button and turn on your notification icon to always be the first to know when I discover a coin that is worth investing in. So today we're going to take a look at our gainers and let's see. Ryoshi token has been at the top for a very long time. I think for about 10 hours. It has been within the first 10, actually the first 5, for about 10 hours, and it's making massive waves. I don't know about, I learned there were issues with withdrawing Ryoshi token. Yeah, so Ryoshi token has been at the top. Then we have Axe. I've not checked it yet. Axe. Let me see what we have here. Axe. Free crypto signals. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hi. I hope you had a great day, and I hope you are making some gains on your tokens. Yeah, nice to have you here. Yeah, keep massive wave. I think it's actually rising after a fall. It's not rising continuously like we expect it to. So when you check the charts, you see that it's really falling and it's gathering momentum again. It was as low as I think 7 zeros and a 2 to as high as 6 zeros and a 6. Wow, that was massive. So I mean, if you please, I think I would have to open my calculator tab like we did the other time, so I calculate some of these massive moves. And then Republic of Dogs has also been trending for about one whole week in the top 10. So yes, I was talking about Ryoshi token. So if you bought $10, right, at 7 zeros and a 2, $10, we check it here, $10 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and a 2 would give you about 500 million coins, right? And then 500 million coins, and then the price rises to 6 zeros and a 6, should give you 6 zeros and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and a 6, should give you $300. So if you put $10 in Ryoshi token, by the time it gets at this peak, at this area, you should be earning $300 on your $10. And that is the sweet thing about these shit coins, right? You blow up so massively, and this just within a space of 1 hour. From here to there is 1 hour, and the fall from here to there is also 1 hour. So that was around between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. If you withdrew quick enough, you're going to have about $290 gain on your $10. That's massive. That's big. Right. So Axe, let me check out Axe. What do we have here? I'll come back to Ryoshi token. Axe is also rising. Yes, because some of these coins have issues with having falling so deeply that they begin to gain momentum again. And if we check here, you realize it went as high as $1.08. That was much there when we had the Bitcoin bubble, right? And then it fell all the way. It was a little bit stable here throughout June and July, and then we are seeing it pick up again. So from here to there, we see a fall from 9 cents down to the lowest of 1 cent. Wow, that really fell deeply. 1 cent. So from 1 cent, which is 3rd August, I think that August is the month of really investing in crypto. That's what I'm seeing on almost all the charts, because almost all the charts have downsides at the beginning of August, and that is the best. It's like the month where you should be setting aside money to make gains on these shit coins, these meme tokens, right? So from 1 cent we have it back to 12 cents, which was around even 8th August. So if you placed $10 here, you also have more gains on this, right? Or $100, $500, yeah, depends on how much you have to spare. So if you just joined, drop a hi in the comment section. You are welcome to Crypto Wealthy, and I'm Danny Legend. What do we have? Uniswap Finance, Republic of Dogs. This is another trending coin. Republic of Dogs has about, that is an 8 zeros and a 2. Let's check where it is grown from. All right, so from having having 9 zeros and a 3 to having 8 zeros and a 2, that's 10x on your money. That's 10x, clearly 10x on your money. 18th August to 22nd August, right? Just 4 days, you have 10x on your money. No bank gives this interest rate. No bank does this. You only get this in crypto. It's only possible when you're trading, right? Even some banks are going to reduce your money, but with crypto you're always going to multiply, and that's how it works. This is the best place to place your money as a form of investment that comes with interest, an interest that is so high. Yeah, so Republic of Dogs is really trending at this point. I think there was a loss of hope in the coin from here, which was around 8 zeros and a 1, right? 8 zeros 1 2 to 8 zeros 1 9, and then 8 zeros 2 8. So from here to there is 2x, okay, which is just today. This 2x. So if you place $500, you have $1,000. And once again, I say this: no bank does this. No bank gives this interest rate. It's all crypto. It's all crypto. And it's right now it's at 3, right? So if you're in here, 8 zeros and a 1, you'll be here by 2x. 8 zeros and a 3. Live token has also been trending for a while now. I haven't made a video on live token, but actually has been trending for quite some time now. And this also sits at what do you think about coins with mini zeros? Because I think for me that is the focus. I don't know about others, but for me, I think that is where you get a quick gains as compared to coins that are $1.20 or even $100 and all that. Yeah, but I'm really interested in coins that come with many zeros, because I can easily get my 10x, my 100x, and I'm out of the market. You can see Live Token went out of the picture for a very long time. This was and you see this with a lot of the tokens. After the whole Elon Musk tweet that caused Bitcoin to fall, it's almost every chart has this sleeping zone where the value of the coin was sleeping, and then we have it bouncing back up at this point. 7 zeros and a 2 up until 6 zeros and a 2. That's 10x on your money. Live Token 10x on your money from 18th. That's just even 20th. Let's see this. 19th. Yes, that's 3 days ago. You have 10x on your money with Live Token. This is insane. Right. What else do we have here? Do you have any coin you want us to also examine? And I like the fact that Live Token has a huge market cap, 2.5 million. It's not small. It's not small. That's big. That's big enough, right? 2.5. Boo Moon or Bew Moon, or how do you pronounce it? Boo Moon. Let's go with Boo Moon. What do we have here? 7 zeros and a 1. Oh, okay. It's also making a rise, and this was just, I think this just August 12th. But then the way it came with a downfall, which wasn't encouraging at all. I mean, into the sky, we know that, yeah, that makes sense. But for a coin to be launched and then it starts moving downward, it's not a good sign. But at this point, there's been a recovery, right? It's like the lowest point. Let's check this. It's like the lowest point of the coin, which was about 8 zeros and a 7. Just 8 zeros and a 7. So it's gradually picked itself up, Blue Moon, from 8 zeros and a 7 to about 7 zeros and a 1, which is about almost 2x, right? Almost 2x on your money. So all these coins give you some kind of excess on your money. I think it's worth the investment, especially if your money is big. Especially if your money is big, it's worth the investment. Yeah. Let me share the link with my group. All right. If you just joined, you're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Let's talk crypto. So what do we have? Let me check CoinGecko to see their largest movers. Let's see what they have here. So Republic of Dogs is also on the trending list, which has 1.2 million worth of dollars in its volume. Oh, that's big. Republic of Dogs. Jade Currency. Okay, I also see Jade Currency rising on coin market cap, but I don't like to invest in coins. I feel they're too expensive, because if I can purchase a coin and I have just about 100 or 1,000 of them, that makes me just $100 or $1,000. But if I could get something small, if I could buy, say, 1 million coins, then I know that if it moves substantial, I'm going to have something worth taking home. So I usually don't buy coins with very few zeros. Prefer the ones in many. And I'm looking at 8 zeros, 9 zeros, and 10, right? So okay, I would also check the recently added coins. Let's see what we have here. Rainbow token is been falling. It's not really performed so well. 4 5 that has 9 zeros and a 6. Solar Moon, Stonk Inu has about 10, still has 9 and a 2. Let's check this out. And this is the one that I bought recently, okay, and it's risen up by 38.4%. Little Ugly Duck actually has about 18 zeros. It has 18 zeros, so I'm really prepared to make millions with this coin. It has 18 zeros and still people are purchasing. So I have hope in that coin. If it moves to about even 14 zeros, I'm up by 1000x. Yeah, 1000x, which is big. That's massive. Right, so Little Ugly Duck has a lot of zeros. It's still young and it has 38.4% growth, right? And just take a look at the 24-hour range. Still 0.0, many zeros. Actually has 18 of them, but then people are purchasing and it's rising gradually, right? It's in the early stages. So I bought me some Little Ugly Duck, and then let's go back to Stonk Inu. Stonk has 9 and 2, which has fallen by 6.5 recently. Very soon this is going to rise up again. Usually these ones, there's a 24-hour momentum. So let's check the 7 days. For 7 days, how has it moved? All right, so it's in a sleeping zone. Stonk Inu is in a sleeping zone, having falling from about 10 zeros and a 3 to about 10 zeros and a 2. Yeah. So very soon it's in sleeping mode, but it's going to rise up very soon. If you just joined the stream, I'm Danny Legend and you are welcome to Crypto Wealthy, where we talk about trending coins. We are attempting to make 100x and 1000x on our monies. I mean, this is the legit get rich quick scheme, so you want to be part of it. Okay, I'll check the next page to see what's trending. We have Luffy Inu. I think I saw this, but it's falling. Some of these coins, once they fall to a certain level, they lose their value. They become redundant and useless. And I think that this is such a coin, unless of course it proves me wrong. Let me take this out. We have 10 zeros and an 8 for Luffy Inu. Let me check the market cap. $101,000 invested in this coin, and it's falling massively. It used to be 151,000, but now to 101,000. It means that people are losing belief in the coin. So when I see the trading volume rising, then I know people are believing in the coin, and then probably, it's a prospect at that point in time. You can drop a like on the video. I appreciate it so much. Thanks. All right, so what do we have? Okay, I'm going to check coins that are rising within 24 hours and the ones that are rising within the last 1 hour. So let's check from here. Republic of Dogs, as I said earlier on, has been trending. It's risen in the last 24 hours by 171.5%. Followed by GameX. GameX, I made a video on this. You can check my YouTube channel to find out GameX. I spoke about this and it has gone up. So if you check, you realize that the predictions were right. Then we have Asgard. Asgard sounds like is it a city in a movie I've watched? Asgard within 24 hours it has risen from $7 to $13. That's $5 difference. But you see, you would have to have a lot of money to buy a lot of this. That's why I don't like to invest in shitcoins that have high value. So it has a trading volume of $1.5 and has gone up from 7 to 13.75. so if you want about $100 worth of profit from this, you'd have to buy 20 times of Asgard when it was at $7 to be able to get $100. So you should get 20 of this, which is about 70 plus or 60 something plus dollars. So Stonk Inu still in sleeping zone, and Asgard is quite expensive. Let's see, in 24 hours. Right, let's check out the fastest token within the last 1 hour. Right, that is on CoinGecko. That's Asgard, yeah, obviously. And then Republic of Dogs is still moving, so it's both is ranking first within 24 hours, increasing rate, and ranking second under H1 or 1 hour. And then we have this also both green for 24 hours and 1 hour, which is Ankaragu Fan or Ankaragu, yeah, something like that. Fan tokens. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a football team, because once you hear fan token, it's usually about a team or something sporty, like this Rangers fan token. That is Rangers fan token. It also has both greens, and then but we are interested in the ones that are making waves, so we can jump on, not ones that we are too skeptical about. Eski Sehir fan tokens. All right, these ones are a little bit. Let me talk about other ones. All right, let's check the volume. Right, so these ones were the catch. If you jumped on early, you are very lucky. Republic of Dogs and Live token. Well, Blaze, he said, bro, I totally slept on ROD. It's taking off. Yeah. I missed it too. I was a little bit skeptical about it, so I didn't invest in it. But I know the other crypto that I'm really tipping is this. I know it's quite outrageous to expect it to blow, but then I don't know, some way somehow I'm just being, it's gone up a little bit. Yeah, it's gone up a little bit. I'm still looking at this coin. I know gradually it's going to pick up. It doesn't look like it now, but eventually it will, because once it keeps moving slowly, people are going to join. And it's just 13,000. And also I'm really attracted by their website, which is let me search for it over here, littleuglyduck.com. So let's see, Ryoshi token has taken the crown for the last, I think, 5 days, because it's always been at the top. Yeah, I bought 25 of Red Sheep. I was giving problems with gas fees, then I figured it out. I think it's gonna pump again soon. You gotta keep a close eye on it. Yeah, I believe in Red Shiba too. Yeah, Red Shiba. Yeah, it's gonna go up. I believe in it. Yeah. So this is Little Ugly Duck. This is their website. I think they are quite new. That's their CEO. He said, we started as a token with a vision that supported change, and the love along with the support we receive has been beyond words. We believe that the crypto market should be fair to all, and LUD has been designed to break the common norms about crypto. We are shooting towards the sky and of a view that transparency should be at the heart of every transaction. The concepts of tokenomics have been installed to benefit all potential holders. This ensures that no matter what happens to your wallet, no matter what happens, your wallet keeps growing. The idea of creating a token fair to all was a far cry until now, and want to be a safe haven to all those people who have been ragged, scammed, and cheated by different tokens across the globe. So LUD plans to be on your side and welcome you to our ever-increasing family. Together we would achieve the impossible. Right, so a few things to look at here. It says competitive advantage. We are proud to introduce a fair and transparent cryptocurrency in the market, rag-free, fair, and future-oriented. So it's extremely SAFU. SAFU is a term for safe, right? No movements in dev wallets. All right. In other words, but I think they should have rather said ownership of developers' wallets renounced. I think that would have sounded better and be more convincing and believable. But to say no movements in dev wallets, no movements, is a little bit, we are not so sure whether you have renounced future oriented, a long term project. That's on Telegram. Let me check out how many people on Telegram. I've not even checked Telegram. 9,000. They have 9,000 people on Telegram. 9,000. That's cool. That's great. That means that these people are probably some are either skeptical, some have invested very little, or they're just watching. Okay, so that's it about this coin. 35% increase. All right, let's check. So Ryoshi is still at the top. Do you think it's good to join Ryoshi right now? Let me know your comments. Up $1,500. Yeah. How do you call it? I think they are going to bring celebs, to back the whole coin and to support it. So it's going to rise. Yes, it's mini football is going to rise. Myself, I'm still holding. I haven't sold yet, so it's good. It's a 10x, 50x potential. Yeah, but the thing is, people, everyone is trying to be smart. So some people are withdrawing. As it goes up a little bit, they're like, oh, I'm going to keep my money. I'm not going to withdraw. And then boom, it sinks. People withdraw, and then they jump on again. Yes. So even though it's like community and people feel like let's all hold. Some are selling actually. And Will says, I got greedy when it hit all-time high. I should have taken out my initial investment. Oh yeah, I mean that's the goal of everything, to take out your initial investment. Yeah, and then the rest is care if you lose. We are cool. We're good to go. Do you think Ryoshi token is worth the investment? Okay, let's check out the recently added ones. Recently added, we have a Nuke token, which has fallen by 34% within 24 hours. Let's check which ones have risen. Okay, within 1 hour. Civilization. I saw this about is it 3 days? 2 days, yeah, this is it, 2 days ago, yeah. Civilization is risen by 29%. Let's check this. And then we have Elon. I don't know whether you're trying to create a token out of Elon's name by merging Elon and Lion. Elon, that's interesting. But I thought this coin was going to shoot, but I wasn't impressed by the figures I saw. Civilization. So Will says, I'm on the fence. Yeah, I'm on the fence of Ryoshi. I'm not buying yet. He says, I'm on the fence of Ryoshi. I'm not buying it. Devix Webb says hi. Hello. You're welcome. Are you new here or you've been on?